Are you familiar with these common issues? Synchronization errors, slow folders, unclear storage locations. This is often due to using the wrong method. Today, we will show you the right way. A common reason for synchronization errors is names that are too long or invalid characters. You can avoid this from the outset by following two simple rules. The total path length, i.e., from the root of the hard drive to the file, has a limit. Therefore, keep folder and file names as short and concise as possible. Avoid deeply nested folder structures. Certain characters are not allowed in file names and will immediately cause errors. Certain names are reserved for system functions, so keep names short and don't use special characters. This way, your files will always stay synchronized. Do you have limited storage space on your laptop? With the Files on Demand feature, you decide what to download. Pay attention to these three icons. The cloud means the file is only available online. You can see it, but it doesn't take up any storage space. An internet connection is required to open it. Double-clicking downloads the file. The green check mark in the white circle means the file is available on this device. You can also edit it offline. If you right-click and select the option, Always Keep on this device, the check mark will turn a solid green. This file will remain downloaded until you remove the option again. To free up storage space, simply right-click on a downloaded file and select Free Up Space. It will then return to the cloud. Finally, here are a few quick tips for everyday use and how to stay in control. Ellipsis options refer to the three dots you often find next to files. These hide important functions such as share, copy link, or version history. The blue cloud icon in your taskbar is the OneDrive control center. A green checkmark here means everything is synchronized. A red X or a gray icon indicates problems. Blue arrows forming a circle indicate current synchronization. The person icon indicates that the file is shared with others. The lock icon indicates that a file is locked. In the OneDrive menu, under Settings, you can also see how much storage space you are using and configure other settings. Wondering what the difference is between linking and syncing OneDrive files? Let's shed some light on the matter. Let's start with linking to OneDrive. When you link a folder from Teams or SharePoint, it appears directly in your personal OneDrive. This is ideal if you only need to access a few shared folders. The files are available across devices, but your personal and shared folder structures will be mixed. Now let's move on to syncing. Here, entire libraries from Teams or SharePoint are displayed as separate folders in Windows Explorer. This creates a clear separation between your personal files and team projects. This method is ideal for larger teams or projects where a clean structure is important. But be careful, you have to choose one method. Avoid mixing the two. If you additionally link a subfolder from a synchronized library, the synchronization of the entire library may stop without you noticing. The error message is often unclear and the problem difficult to find. In short, linking is flexible but confusing. Synchronization is structured but less flexible. Choose wisely and keep this in mind. The limit is 300,000 files per synchronization. With these tips on the right linking method, clean file names, and knowledge of the status icons, you can work stably and efficiently. For more in-depth problems, please contact IT support.